Hi, Nurfatina Bidamin Terusni.
We are from 1BMF2.
So today we are going to present our circuit, which is
Simple Fire Alarm Circuit. For your information, our circuit is frequently used in our life safety system in day-to-day life, where it is designed to warn people of a fire. It is an automatic fire detector system. Whenever the fire occurs, it will prompt warning to a people. Commonly, this circuit is applicable for your home security system and also students using this fire detector system for their school science fair projects, as it is low-cost alarm circuit.
Basically, the objective of this assessment is to let us as a student to design and build up a circuit which is contain a sensor. Sensor is actually a device which detect or measure a physical property and record, indicate or otherwise is respond to it. In our circuit, a thermistor will use as detection of fire. A simple potential divider arrangement using thermistor is capable of sensing temperature and alerting us with warning signal.
Now, let's move to theoretical explanations. I would like to explain about the every part that play a role in our circuit. I will going to start with thermistor. Thermistor is basically a temperature sensor constructed of semiconductor material that exhibits large modification in resistance in proportion to any low modification in temperature. Thermistor usually respond quickly, and because of this reason, it is used to measure simple temperature measurements, not high temperature. It is easily obtainable temperature sensitive resistor. Thermistor working principle is its resistance depends on temperature. When temperature change, resistance of thermistor change in predictable way. Thermistor usually respond quickly, and because of this reason, it is used to measure simple temperature measurement, not high temperature. It is easily obtainable temperature sensitive resistor. Thermistor working principle it is resistance depends on temperature. When temperature changes, resistance of thermistor changes in predictable way. It is obtainable temperature sensitive resistor. Thermistor working principle is its resistance depends on temperature. When temperature changes, resistance of thermistor changes in predictable way. Now, let's talk about transistor. This circuit is actually works based on the principle of switching property of transistor. NPN and PNP transistor are bipolar junction transistor which allow current amplification. This transistor use as switch, amplifiers or oscillators. In PNP transistor, majority charge carriers are holes, whereas in NPN, electrons are majority charge carrier. NPN transistor turns on when current flows through base of transistor. In this type of resistor, currents flow from collector to the emitter. PNP transistor turns on when there is no current at the base of transistor. In this transistor, currents flow from emitter to collector. Thus, knowing this, PNP transistor turns on by low signal, which is ground, where NPN transistor turns on by high signal, which is current, and has low reverse leakage current of 5 μA. Let's move to diode. Diode is a rectifier device which conducts only from anode to cathode. Diode behave open circuit for the current flow from cathode to anode. 1N4001 is a 1A diode with low forward voltage drop and high surge current capability. It comprises of diffuse PN junction and has low reverse leakage current of 5 μA. voltage divider. Potentiometers are commonly used to control electrical devices such as volume controls and audio equipment. An electric battery is a device consisting of one or more electrochemical cells with external connection provided to power electrical devices such as smartphones and electric cars. When batteries supply power, its positive terminal is the cathode and negative terminal is anode. A buzzer of paper is an audio signaling device which may be mechanical, electrochemical, or piezoelectric. Typical uses of buzzer and beepers include alarm devices, timers, and confirmation of user input such as mouse click. Overall, we can conclude that our project is successful because all those objectives stated were achieved. Secondly, we successfully verified the whole operation of our circuit.
Honestly, this project is really help us more understand in this BEKG 1123 subject, plus giving us chance to gain new experience throughout this project.
Last but not least, big thanks to our lecturer, Dr. Ahmad Sadikin bin Muhammad Isra, the one that really helpful in order to finish this assessment. Thank you. Bye.